Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. Here, this is the question. A 23 years old man falls over whilst intoxicated and sharp of the glass transected his median nerve at the proximal border of the flexor retinaculum. His tendon escaped injury. Which of the following feature is least likely to be present? So first of all, we have to find out the key point that the median nerve is transected at the proximal border of the flexor retinaculum. That means the medial nerve is cut. Then we have to find out which clinical feature least likely present. That means the which clinical feature will not be present. Here the options are weakness of the thumb abduction, loss of sensation on the dorsal lips of the thinner eminence, loss of power of the opponent's pollicis, paresthesia of the palmar aspect of the second digit, and loss of power of abductor pollicis brevis. So we have to find out on of the option which is not function of the median nerve. So here the in this picture we can see this is the flexor retinaculum, and below the flexor retinaculum there is the carpal tunnel, and the median nerve is transected proximal to the this flexor retinaculum. That means this point. So median nerve is transected this point. So the function of the median nerve distal from here will be impaired. Such as here we can see the median nerve, it supplies the thumb, it supplies the index finger, it supplies the middle finger, and it also supplies part of the ring finger. That means the 3.5 finger. So as the median nerve transected at this point, so 3.5 finger sensory area will be damaged. Then the median nerve, it supplies the muscle in the thinner area. So all the thinner muscle supplied by median nerve, their function also will be lost. So here we can see, here this is the median nerve, and here this is the proximal border of the flexor retinaculum. Here flexor retinaculum present. So proximal border here, this area median nerve cut, and we can see here that median nerve, its sensory supply 3.5 finger of the, so this function will be lost. And it is the another picture very clear that it is the cutaneous innervation of the hand. In case of palm, here the median nerve, it supplies the 3.5 finger, and the medial 1.5 finger, it is supplied by the ulnar nerve, that is the palmar cutaneous branch of the ulnar nerve. So it is palmar view. On the other hand, it is the dorsal view. In the dorsal view, we can see that the ulnar nerve, it supplies the medial 1.5 finger, but in the lateral 3.5 finger, it is supplied by the superficial branch of the radial nerve. Here we can see the superficial branch of the radial nerve, but the nail bed of the 3.5 finger, it is supplied by this nerve, which is the median nerve. So this is the cutaneous innervation of the hand. So our answer is now ready, that which is not the function of the median nerve least likely. That means which is not function of the median nerve. Here loss of sensation on the dorsal aspect of the thinner eminence. Here we can see this is the dorsal aspect of the thinner eminence. This area, this is the dorsal aspect of the thinner eminence or thinner area, and it is supplied by this nerve, which is the superficial branch of the radial nerve. So it is not true. Other options such as the weakness of the thumb abduction, we know that the thumb muscle, almost all of the thumb muscle are supplied by the median nerve. Then loss of power of the opponent's pollicis, it is also true, because the thumb muscle known as the pollicis. So the muscle which attaches to the thumb, it is known as pollicis. Then paresthesia of the palmar aspect of the second digit is also true, because the median nerve, it supplies 3.5 finger. Then loss of power of abductor pollicis brevis, it is also true, because it is supplied by the median nerve. So our answer, loss of sensation of the dorsal aspect of the thinner eminence, it is not the supplying area of the median nerve, it is supplied by the radial nerve. Thank you all.